Young kids are very interested in our fish finder. They want to test our product. Hello guys, this is Owen. Today I will introduce the bait boat fish finder. The model is 918. This is the Spear series fish finder. The fish finder is used for the bait boat. Now we open it. This is a manual. And this is a cable. This is an antenna box. Let's take a cable out. This is an antenna cable. This is a power cable, and this is the cable to connect a battery. And this is a device. This is a transducer. This is one pocket for a device. And this is the antenna. Now let's connect a device. First, you need to buy your battery. Yeah, and I take a battery here. There is two holes to connect the power. You can see here it's power. Transducer cable, transducer cable. Yeah, here. And antenna cable. This is power. Yeah, then fix the cable like this. Yeah, the cable is okay. You should know before connect to the battery, the antenna must be fixed. Okay, like this. Or the power will damage the antenna box. This is a hole for the transducer. Yeah, you fix the transducer here. Yeah, now you can see here. Okay, the antenna is fixed. Okay, let's go to run a bait boat. Now put the bait boat in the water. This is sensitivity. When you are fishing in shallow water, you can set sensitivity to low. But when you are fishing in deep water, the number should be high. You can set it to 9. This button is for model. You can choose sensitivity and wireless. You can hear. Now it's a wireless model. We use a simulation model. We use a simulation model.
又有鱼来了。我们还是回去吧，你还看鱼，我看到鱼了。我也看到了呀，谁都看得到。我说最下面。
The fish, the water deep is 12.1. Now it's 11 meters.
11.
The right is the information underwater, but the left is the history information. This is user model. This is user model. This is sensitivity. This is depth load limit. You can set a number.
东西你还想不想玩？
Yeah, this auto 0 to 100 meters. This is depth upper limited from 0 to 100. This is shallow alarm to alert you the water is too shallow. This is facial cut. If you just need the L or M size fish, you can set different size. The big, this small. This is unit. Sonar color. This is sonar color. Blue, red, green. This is battery alarm. This can alert you the power is too low. You need to charge your battery. This is language. You can set different language. If the sunshine very bright, you can set it high. If you are using it in night, you can set it to low number. That's all. Thank you.